my name is Zaras. Some people say that my videos look good, so I decided to make a few tutorials for you. Lessons how I'm making my videos. First two will be about the fisheye cam, because I think this is the easiest way to make good looking videos. Here we got some small clip. As you see, it look not bad right now. I made a small mistake making this trick, so it could be a little bit better, because landing is a little bit sketchy. As you see, I use additional light to lighten the scene. Light is very important in this game. It is make your clips much better. So first, what we will do, we will change camera lens to fisheye wide. Sorry for my English language, but I'm from Poland and this is not my main language. First thing that I will do is change the field of view to the highest possible. For wide angle fisheye camera it is 143, and as I remember, for the 4x3 fisheye is 131 or 130. So use the highest possible I don't know the word, highest possible option, because the video will look better, I think. So first thing what I will do is set keyframe, the starting one. Remember always to record your clip with from beginning of when you're taking your speed to the moment that you far away from the obstacle, because if you're sending it to the edit, then you can crop these beginnings and ends. Okay, so let's set our first keyframe. This scene looks very nice. Okay, so here will be the first keyframe. Next one I will set before the skater will be jumping, and I will try to set him on the left side of the screen, where he is like, you know, smaller or something. You will see then the effect. Okay, now we're setting another keyframe here, and next one that I will set, imagine that our cameraman will be moving after the skater, and we will set it here. As you saw, I skew the screen a little bit. I forgot to say that this lesson is about a man with the cam. I mean, operator who is near the obstacle, and this is not a follow cam. So our man with the cam is going up the stairs and then record this video and standing in his position. Very important thing, always set your last keyframe to the end of the video. Never leave it like unset. I saw a lot of dope videos that there was the last keyframe was in the point that skater is landing, and this is just look bad in my opinion. So we are setting the last keyframe here. So we got this like basic of our camera. We ain't see shit right now, but this is moment that we'll work on it. Okay, so our cameraman is putting his camera a little bit higher to record this trick, and here we will set another keyframe. We'll see how it looks. Alright, this one close to the board. But this is too close in my opinion. Okay, so here we'll make another keyframe to show the board. Very close. I think this is look very dope. And now our skater is in the center of the screen. I will put here the keyframe. This one I will erase, and this one I will erase too, but we'll move it like this one. Okay, let's see how it look now. I think much better. As you see, this landing is a little bit sketchy. Should be more forward, but this is only an example. Okay, here I will try to show whole board and whole skater. So adding another keyframe. This one I will remove. And add another one here. Maybe a little bit higher. But now I'm trying to keep my skater on the right side of the screen. How it looks now. Not bad. But I think that we can now remove this frame, or make it a little bit lower, or maybe a little bit higher. Like you see, this movement is a little bit unnatural for me, so I will remove it one more time. Okay, we'll try something like that to show the whole scene. Let's see how it will look. I think much better. At this moment, let's give it a little bit up, higher. Yeah, I think this is not bad. But now we'll add camera shake, or maybe was the landing. We'll put the camera a little bit higher in this moment. Yeah, much more natural. Okay, so now to make it look more like, you know, natural feeling, I will only check, is it recording? Yes, it is. So we are going to the camera shake. So at the beginning, our cameraman is standing, so not a big camera movement. Then he's moving a little bit. So let's higher it up, because he's moving the camera with his movement. Now he's going on the stairs, and we'll put this to this moment where he is climbing up the stairs, and he will change the movement of the camera. So here we will add some more shakes to it. Let's say 40. We will see how it look. Okay, but when skater is landing, so the camera is not so shaky at this moment. So Let's make it slower. And he's moving back. Okay, so he's moving back, so the camera shake could be bigger again. Let's see how it look. I think it's too big. Maybe we'll settle the camera because he is not climbing but only moving with his hand. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, I think this is it. So this is the first lesson, man with the cam. You can use it in like one trick, one grind on obstacles like rails, ledges, hubbas and stuff like that. It look cool, I think, and very realistic. I like to say big up to the guys that I was learning filming from them. I mean, I was looking to their videos from session, and this was the best lesson for me. So it's Kalua, it is Narkili, and this is Oski. Oski, I love his follow cams. It's dope. But there are a lot of dope filmers, and I wish all these not so good filmers will be top filmers in the future. So I will be making these lessons from time to time. So this one is number one. So see you next time.